Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite someone to your Hubstaff account. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to go ahead and invite other employees of their organization to their Hubstaff account. How do you actually go ahead and invite other members? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but first we're going to hop onto our Hubstaff account. And then you're going to scroll down to where it says people and click on people. Now on this page here, you're going to click on add members. And then from here, you just simply need to enter their email, their pay rate, and their user role. So there's multiple user roles here, such as organization manager, project manager, user, and project viewer. So with that, we'll just enter an email here, a pay rate, decide on the role, and then also enter which project you want them to invite them to. Now, in addition to that, you could actually also send them the invite link. So with this invite link, you can just simply send it to them, and then they'll be prompted to actually fill out this information themselves. But that is essentially how to go ahead and invite someone to your Hubstaff account. If you guys know a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.